Welcome to Woodpeckers, Chalk Road, Ifold. I'm here today to show you this exceptional, one-of-a-kind detached family home. Follow me to take a look. The front door opens to reveal one of the largest and most impressive halls I've seen, with a central staircase leading to the first floor. From the hall, double doors open to the generous 23-foot living room and this impressive office cum family room, which could be perfect for anybody working from home or the ideal space for the children to play. A particular feature of the property is this incredible kitchen, which, as you'd imagine, becomes the hub of the home. It measures over 31 foot by 20 foot and centres around this large island. The room is flooded with natural light. There's plenty of space with sofas and a dining table, and with the bifold door spilling out to the garden, it's perfect for entertaining. Adding to the flexible layout is this impressive ground floor bedroom with ensuite, perfect for visitors or multi-generational living. Across the first floor, there are 4 fantastic double bedrooms, with the largest 2 being stunning hotel-like suites with large bedrooms, built-in wardrobes and luxurious ensuite shower rooms. Once outside, you can enjoy this impressive private plot with a large terrace for alfresco dining leading onto an expansive lawn. At the end of the garden is this modern and recently added summer house that could be the perfect gym or home office. The property is set back from the road with electric double gates opening to reveal a large driveway that offers secure parking for a number of cars. This leads to the 39-foot garage, which has space for further vehicles and offers fantastic additional storage. It's also currently used as a workshop. The property is located in the charming village of Ifold and is just a short stroll from the village shop and is surrounded by miles of countryside walks. If you think this incredible property could be your next home, then give me a call on 01403 613 713. Speak soon.